MashaAllah, what a thought-provoking and insightful story. Mariam's dream reminds us to be grateful for the resources we have and to use them wisely. Thank you to the performers for delivering such a powerful message in a creative way. Let's all take a moment to reflect on how we can conserve energy and show gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His blessings. Mapula Pattu is a traditional Muslim folk song that celebrates our cultural and spiritual roots. Let us now welcome our youngest star, Isra Mehrin from UKG, who will mesmerize us with her sweet voice in this unique performance.
Jazakallah khair.